Today, Zmotion brings how to use XPLC value in this open-type Linux platform, and this video has two major parts: XPLC value introduction and Qt development. Okay, first of all, let me show you it. This is XPLC value. Looks beautiful, right? Actually, functions are better. Number one, with Linux operation system, 16xe is ZCadToMore motion control, 16 NPN inputs and outputs, support hand wheel interface. Two camera interfaces. ZCad can expand 4096 inputs and outputs. Multiple communication interfaces. Many kinds of complex motion control and vision fly shooting applications. Flexible system structure and wide applications. Suited to the industrial 4.0. Application software on the Linux platform can be added freely and support Qt developer user interface of HMI interfaces. Then let's see hardware interfaces. Power supply, the in and out. Out control light source switches. Some special outputs can be at plus axis. Net port. And then the developer can be used to develop and watch expansion interfaces. ZCad bus interfaces. HMI serious port. Handwheel interfaces. USB 2.0 interfaces. And HDMI displayer, SD card slot. Also, there is Linux operation system built-in controller and with one Qt software, so it can easy Linux programming and Qt development through connecting to display, screen, mouse, and keyboard. USB 3.0 interface and that port can be used to connect to industrial gear. It not only supports camera of USB interface but also of net port. And there are some product technical parameters.